Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. I'm on the stairs, I'm in your house. You say you'll be right down, and I am struggling to take a deep breath or slow my heart down. I can't seem to process you in that sundress. It's so scary, 'cause you are out of my league, and it's so obvious to everyone else. Kids keep staring because they just can't believe that you are even gonna give me a chance. I'm in the car, trying to pick the music. You say that you like it, I'll never tell, but it took me 3 days to make a damn CD. It sounded like you to me, there were so many throwaways. It's so scary, 'cause you are out of my league, and it's so obvious to everyone else. Kids keep staring because they just can't believe that you are even gonna give me a chance. dancing our last first dance. I still remember your number, can say those digits by heart. With that first drink of the summer, I think about where you are. I dial 235, are you alive? How I miss our late night drives and 4-6. How is it that in my mind I flip a switch and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do, even though we were just kids. I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to knock me back to 2005, before you took that cross-country flight, before we said goodbye. Our late night drives and 4-6. How is it that in my mind I flip a switch and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do, even though we were just kids. I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to take me back to 2005, before you took that cross-country flight, before we said goodbye. Before we said goodbye.